Hey guys, this is Brent with Western Equipment, and we're here with our next video in the Mowing Acre series. If you haven't seen one of our Mowing Acre series videos, this is the video series where we take a brand new John Deere mower each week to this acre of grass to see just how fast and how well we can cut it. So these videos are meant to be a gauge for you to see what type of mower you might need for your operation. So today what we're featuring is a 2020 John Deere Z920M. This is going to be in our commercial grade mower class. So if we move back here to the back, we see that we have a 23.5 horse Kawasaki engine. This is the commercial grade engine with that commercial grade air filter housing. This engine, along with the tough torque heavy duty transmissions, is going to give you a top traveling speed of 10 miles an hour. This mower is also equipped with the 54-inch 7-iron Pro deck. Also, another comfort feature with this mower that we're going to really be looking at today is this fully suspended seat here with comfort glide. So this is going to be a weight adjusted seat that I'm going to get dialed up here to my operating weight. That way when I'm out there mowing this acre, I've got the best ride quality possible. So guys, a little bit here on conditions. It's about 80 degrees outside today, nice and sunny, and the grass, we've had a week here. It's gotten pretty tall. This will be the second cutting of this year, so we're starting to get filled in. We've got some pretty tall patches here. So if I'm looking, we'll say right out in here, go ahead and stick our pin down in the ground here. I'd say average height, again, we're about midway up on the pin clip. So we're talking about 4.5 inches of grass height there. We always set our mower in these videos on 3, that way we stay consistent. So we're gonna be cutting off about 1.5 inches of grass today. So now from here, guys, what I'll do is I'll get on the mower, turn it on, let you hear how it sounds, get those blades turned on so you can hear that. Then what I'll do is I'll cut a strip here so you can see the clip disbursement, and then I'll set the timer and we'll start mowing. So like I said, guys, this is going to be in our commercial lineup. So this is going to be a lot heavier duty mower here with that commercial Kawasaki engine. So we'll go ahead and start that up. All right, guys, so right here we're at about half idle. You go ahead and rev that thing all the way up. This is going to be our cutting speed. As you can hear, it's a lot louder than most of the mowers we do. So from here, I'll dial back. We'll go ahead and get our mower height set on 3 here. We'll go ahead and engage those blades. So like I said, still here, we're only at about half idle. So if I rev all the way up, this is going to be at our full cutting speed. So from here, guys, I'll go over and I will start to cut a strip here. Get my phone out so we can start that time, and we'll start it. Now you can really see that clip disbursement. See, it's really shooting it out. Now we'll just keep on mowing. All right, guys, that was our Mowing Acre on the Z920M. Now, I'm fairly impressed with this time. I think it just shows really well, you know, how the better engine, the more ride quality with the seat. One thing I didn't point out would be the fact that we have the Michelin Twills too, the airless rear tire that adds for that extra flex and extra give with the ground, just adding to that ride quality. We were really able to fly across this yard, and we had a whopping time here, best time yet, 26 minutes and 50 seconds. Now, keep in mind, we'd also done a video on the Z740R, which you can see in the description below here, and it was a 60-inch deck, same travel speed, but we didn't cut it in near the time that we did with this, and a lot of that is due to you know, conditions, ride quality. For some reason with this mower, with that heavier frame, being as that we're in the Z9, we have that heavier frame system here. It was just able to handle it faster, move a lot quicker across the ground, not as many times having to stop to get through that that heavier material. And like I said, guys, the ride quality of this machine with that added suspension in the seat and the wheels there, great ride quality. Another thing I'd point out too is going up to this 7-iron Pro deck here, a lot heavier deck, it just seemed to flow across the ground a lot more. You didn't have as much bounce, even though it's really uneven out here on the edges. But it just seemed to really cut well. You can see the cut quality across here. Again, we adjusted those scalping wheels before we started, so we didn't have those scalp marks. Overall, just great mower, guys. I'd highly recommend if you're you know, one of those customers, one of those people that have a lot of land, a lot of area to cover, you don't want to be on that mower all day long, this is definitely a good option for you. So guys, you know, that right there is our first edition in the Z9 series. If you guys are watching this because you have one of these mowers, you know, or you're looking into this mower, and maybe you need parts or things for this mower, make sure to check out in the description below. We've got a link there where you can go and buy parts for this mower. Also check us out at west-equip.com/parts. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah, covered in it. Woo! Let's call it a day.